Hi Cancer, this is Star with Ariana Stark. This is your monthly forecast for September 2021. Like always, I will rely on tarot for your overall messages, and I'm also being called upon to use these love oracle decks that I have here. Cancerians, please keep in mind that these are all random messages and they may not be in any particular order, so please take whatever resonates with your story and leave the rest. Let's just dive into your reading. Towards the final days of August, stepping into September 2021, we have the Knight of Swords. I think these days was marked by excessive activity. Possibly there were a lot of changes in your life. You had to adapt or you had to have a flexible mindset. Nevertheless, I think Cancerians, you were in a adventurous mood. You wanted to make those adjustments and you wanted to capitalize because the energy was such that you were coming away making gains. Maybe there was also mistrust in your relationships which you had to deal with. Obstacles to overcome this month, we have the Page of Wands. You may be feeling a bit restless. I think you're carrying this energy into the month as well. Ironically, there will be those days when you'll be quite withdrawn. Maybe you will find comfort in isolation. Nevertheless, this month you're being called upon to work hard. You have to be quite creative. Besides, communication will also bring in opportunities for you. Influences for this month, we have the Sun card. Cancerians, you will definitely understand that there's no point overreacting or getting worked up, as later you will realize that it was futile. It's best to have a reconciliatory approach. Maybe there'll be delays, but then you're somebody who's going to think about the long-term future, so you'll put up with those delays. Largely this September, Cancerians, you're desiring newness in your life. There'll also be well-meaning criticism which is coming your way, which is going to give you food for thought. I think you will be better served this month if you would stop overreacting to situations. Some people around you could feel that you're making a mountain out of a molehill. The first 10 days of September is the Empress card. Your personal magnetism is going to be at its peak in this time. This is also the time when you'll be quite nurturing. You'll be forming friendships. I think you could also reconnect with your former colleagues and mates in this time. Work offers are also quite likely in this time, maybe for something you had never attempted. Perhaps you should also consult the financial expert. Incidentally, quarrels could also be on account of inconsequential matters. I think you are somebody who wants to assert yourself as you want to teach the other person a lesson. The next 10 days, that is towards 11th to 20th September, we have the Lovers card. I think there are going to be choices in your life, be it in your personal life or within your professional front. Maybe there's also some kind of confusion here because you have options before you. Nevertheless, I think Cancerians, you can expect to make gains via communication. I think you should also ask for more. Maybe later on you would think that you should have asked for more from your clients. Still, this is also the period when you will be able to complete a lot of the tasks at hand. Your creativity will also be visible and in fact it will be appreciated. Compliments could also come your way on account of your looks or your personality. Final days of September is the Chariot card. This is your energy, Cancerians. In fact, if you notice or look carefully, you have very many cards from the major arcana. So this is going to be a significant month in your life this year. I think Cancerians, you desire support from family members. Maybe there could be issues with your father here. Many of you could also be commuting great distances or there could be travel plans here. Nevertheless, I think you're also being asked to rethink your moves. You need to take a step back and understand where you're going wrong, or you should rethink your strategies as well. Sometimes you feel as though you put in a lot of effort but then the rewards are not there. I think you are also going to assist other people. Maybe technical issues could bother you or gadgets could need to be reprogrammed or formatted, and you're going to do just that. These days also you will be able to complete a lot of tasks which are there at hand. But you should also be careful because there's going to be rivalry and backstabbing. Maybe somebody could threaten to sabotage your work. Perhaps it's an idle threat, but then you should be wary of this person. I think the best way to combat envy is to keep your cards close to your chest or to keep your mouth shut. With respect to your love life, we have this card, Pause. We also have this card, Please Stay. I think this is a recurring message here. Like I said, there could be a choice in love. Maybe you're going to cold shoulder somebody, or maybe there's a stagnation within a connection here which you're dealing with. However, this person whom you're dealing with wants you to stay or be a part of his life. Maybe he is holding on to this relationship. Single Cancerians, I think your suitor is somebody who's going to go out of his way to woo you. But then you shouldn't string anyone along if you're disinterested. Maybe you could also be a bit annoyed because your loved ones are playing Cupid. Perhaps you don't feel you're ready for a connection or commitment. Like I said earlier in this reading, we do have the Empress card, so that is why you're coming across as someone who's quite rule-worthy, who's quite magnetic. You are on your own path, that is. In case you're crushing on someone, I think you may feel the need to reach out to this person. But then you're confident or somebody around you says that you needn't be so explicit. Maybe this relationship is also going through a pause state. You may feel as though there's no communication here or that you're being ignored. You may feel as if it's a dead end. Interestingly, just when you think that you need to pull away from this relationship, this person could respond to you. But I think you shouldn't read too much into it. Romancing Cancerians, this is definitely the month when you will indulge in phone conversations. Maybe you're also assisting each other in every possible way. Ideally, I think you should enjoy the fruitful exchange. Sometimes, you may also want to impress this person. That is why you're going to rack your brains or you're going to use your intelligence. I think you could also exchange gifts, or maybe you're going to read books together. Nevertheless, I think there'll be obstacles in your love life. I think people around you could want you to put an end to this connection. Sometimes, you could have to comfort yourself as there could be little or no communication with this person. Maybe this person is going to make a trip because we do have the Chariot card here, but you would want him to stay. In case you're in a third party situation or in case you're also a secret romance, I think you have to be careful because there are going to be people around you. Maybe this person was communicating with you freely because there was nobody around, but then his family members are set to return home. That is why these conversations could become a thing of the past. This could distress you, no doubt. On the other hand, married Cancerians, you'll be quite fretful this month. Maybe you'll be concerned about your spouse's health. I think your spouse could also be somebody who's going to throw tantrums. Ideally, I think the two of you should show more love and affection towards each other. Maybe you should be more romantic. Sometimes, a third person could also instigate your partner. That is why he could overreact. In case you're also in an unhappy connection, I think Cancerians, you will be dealing with a partner who's quite suspicious. Maybe he or she wants you to limit your interactions with the members of the opposite sex. From Lenormand, we have this card, Book. The universe is certainly asking you to gain wisdom and knowledge. Maybe you're being called upon to study even further or to research. There's something which is hidden here which you need to discover. Earlier in this reading, it did come up that yours could be a secret romance. So maybe there's something secret here about your relationship which others may talk about. Or it's also possible that you could read books to your lover. Some of you could also discover a good book, or you could receive a book which could enhance your knowledge. The last card in your reading is Singing and Dancing from the Angel Therapy deck. Your angels are also asking you to be more creative. You need to express yourself. Maybe there are hidden talents here, and this will certainly boost your self-confidence. Largely, I think you need to be more spontaneous. You need to do something which is unplanned. You need to loosen up and relax. Maybe your creative talents are also going to inspire you at work as well. Cancerians, you liked your reading. This is Tarot with Ariana Stark. Please give us your feedback in the comment section. This is Ariana Stark signing off. Take care. Bye till the next time.